Hey guys, my name is Adry. I'm here with Los Angeles Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. And today I have a 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker Edition. And I'm here with Mike from MFR Engineering, and we're gonna do something a little bit special today. Mike?
Yeah, so this brand new beauty that you guys are gonna be able to see at their showroom real soon is getting a full Aero package. So we're doing chassis mounted rear diffuser, side splitters, and chassis mounted splitter. Also, our signature wicker bill, which, if you guys don't know about our signature wicker bill, it's a tribute to the actual retro wicker bills back from the late 60s, early 70s. So it really gives this car that modern but yet still retro feel, just like the way the car was originally designed. So it's gonna be really badass. You guys are gonna love it, and you're gonna be able to buy it brand new at this dealership.
All right, let's see what you got in store for us, Mike.
It's gonna be badass. Hey guys, how's it going? So we're back here with the 2020 Challenger. This is obviously a Scat Pack Shaker Edition, and what we're doing to the front today, we're gonna be adding a chassis mounted splitter. If you're not familiar with the chassis mounted splitters, they cover the front end of the car up to the subframe, which is awesome. So you get added performance and you get that look that you want, that aggressive look. So not only that, it has a recessed window with only 4 bolts that you could remove so you could get to your drain plug to do your oil services, which is awesome. Super easy, super fast, and you get performance. Can't beat that. So what we're also going to be doing is adding our side splitters. The side splitters are a slight extension just past the OEM part of the car, and it gives it a very aggressive look and that race feel while you're driving. Hey guys, so this is going to be the wicker bill that we're going to be installing on this bad boy right here. Now, beautiful part about these wicker bills, they're the same material that we utilize to make our Aero products. So we use a 5052 and a 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum. So it's super lightweight, doesn't weigh anything, and it's super strong, which in the future you'll see demonstrations of us standing and jumping on our products and stuff like that, or if you go on our social media, you'll see that as well. But awesome product, not just because it's ours, but it's awesome product because it's cost effective, it's lightweight, it's strong, and it does what it's supposed to do. So right here we have the rear diffuser. This rear diffuser right now is fully disassembled. We will be assembling it shortly to be installing it on the rear of the car. Now, as you can see, our rear diffusers cover the whole rear end of the car. So the added performance of this is we're eliminating drag on the car, and it's creating a Venturi effect. Not only that, the parts are interchangeable. So if for whatever reason or somehow, some way, any of these fins get damaged, we can replace them without you having to replace this whole panel. So it's very cost effective, and technically, you can't break it. It's aircraft aluminum. What's going on, guys? So here's what it looks like when it's installed, finalized, super solid. We installed all the chassis mounts already. Now, as we stated earlier, it covers the entire bottom of this car. Now, as the air flows through, it doesn't interfere with anything of the stock components of the car. It clears the rear diff, no problem, and it creates that Venturi effect as the air comes out. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk up to the front, we're gonna show you the chassis mounted splitter. All right, guys, so now this is the front splitter. It's all installed, all the chassis brackets are on, and when we spoke earlier, we said how it covers the entire front of the car. This is the recessed plate we were talking about for your oil changes. So check this out. We take these 4 bolts out. And there you have your drain plug. So when you do your oil changes, it's real simple, real quick. Pop open this, oil comes out, you reach over, your oil filter's right here, done deal. Quick, easy, simple, fully functional front splitter. All right, guys, so here it is. Finalized, done, chassis mounted splitter, side splitters. We have the chassis mounted rear diffuser. And of course, like we told you earlier, the wicker bill, the retro style wicker bill. Gives it that pizzazz, that late 60s, early 70s vibe, and it flows perfect with this car.